Hello guys, welcome back and thanks so much for watching. If you're new on my channel, my name is Yolanda. Thanks so much for joining me. Please don't forget to click the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you can be notified every time when I'm posting a video. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a coffee DIY hair mask. Before I get to the video, let's look at the benefits of using caffeine on your hair. Coffee prevents hair loss. When you apply caffeine, DHT is suppressed, thus eliminating hair loss and baldness. It stimulates hair growth. Caffeine is rich in antioxidants that block possible cause of cell damage and reduces transepidermal hair loss and stimulates healthy cell production. Coffee makes hair more manageable. The nutrient properties in caffeine strengthen hair shafts and edge shine. It improves hair structure and softens hair. Caffeine stimulates hair matrix. The hair matrix produces keratin, which helps with alopecia hair loss, fights different hair condition, and promotes the hair growth cycle. I'll be using rice as my deep conditioner base. Rice milk video is up here just in case you're wondering. This rice is overly cooked. Then right now I'm going to go ahead and add Moringa Tea. So just in case you're wondering, my Moringa video is up here if you're wondering about the benefits of using Moringa on your hair. Then you can go ahead and add coffee. So then I'm going to blend, so I'll continue adding tea and water as the mixture is getting thicker. Now my mixture is ready, guys. The combination of these three is amazing. This is simply one of the best. Falsy, and I'm always looking forward to my wash days because DIYs are the best. My hair is always soft and more manageable. So I'll start off by finger detangling my hair, then I'll apply the mixture from the tip to the roots. Don't forget the scalp, guys. We are revamping those hair follicles that cause baldness and hairline loss. So please don't forget the scalp. So right now I'm just raking with my fingers to make sure that I don't miss a spot. Then I'll put my hair in a twist. I'll throw on a plastic bag and leave it for an hour or two. Guys, my hair is so soft. It is soft, it is manageable, guys. I am really loving this. Like, this is really one of the best. So thank you guys for watching, and I really hope that you found the video helpful. And please, if you did, don't forget to share the video. Give me a big thumbs up so that YouTube can actually push out my video. And thank you guys for watching. I'll see you on my next video. Bye.